Hello, and welcome back to episode 2 of Creature Profiles for ERT-454. Today, we'll be going over Flosamans roku, the genus name meaning flower lover and species name meaning redneck. Let's begin with the background. Flosamans is a genus of small Phyllosis terraform that live across the Eulipha continent. There are 4 to 7 different genus, with this genus in particular having 7 species within the whole family. Magnoliospida amatoria, meaning flowering plant lover. These Phyllosis terraforms are relatively small compared to humans, reaching heights of 8 inches and a length from tail to beak is around 4 to 8 inches or 0.121 meters long, with both males and females reaching a wingspan of 9.12 inches. Let's move on to its diet. F. roku and most flowering plant lovers live from 8 to 7 years, living in small communities in their respective habitat. These communities typically consist of 8 to 12 individuals, filled with mostly females and a small amount of males. These usually have 1 to 2 older individuals within groups that can lead their flocks to good sources of food. These flowering plants they consume have many different types with certain beneficial qualities that are good to consume. Certain plants contain both liquids and external nectar that are great sources of food for these little creatures. Next, we have its lifestyle. Most genera in the Magnoliospida and Moratoria mate via the choice of the females, as these animals tend to not live long enough for both males and females to take care of offspring together. Their mating season tends to take place 1 to 2 months on ERT-454's time, Revive season. This season occurs after the dry season when plants and foliage have refurbished globally. Let's move on to the aerial lifestyle. Flosamans, along with other flowery lovers, are the first instances of migrating behavior, as this family of Phyllosis terraforms migrate all around Eulipha depending on seasonal changes. This species, living on the northwestern side of Eulipha, with it migrating south due to both regions having different flowering periods. Finally, we have species identification. In this case of Flosamans roku, northwestern species have a color scheme of greens, reds, and white. Their crests are typically the basal colors that most current Phyllosis terraforms have. Some Phyllosis terraforms are beginning to have mutations changing their crest color from the same color sequence that develops the basal colors. Some other specimens discovered around the world feature all kinds of colors. Sooner or later, a global event could alter the diversity of colors. Well, this is the end of the second episode of Creature Profiles for ERT-454. I'm currently working on episode 3, and I hope you stay tuned for that. And apologies for the long gap in uploads. I've been working on a other personal project that kind of got in the way of this, but I'm almost done with that. So now I'm able to juggle both. Just remember to like and subscribe, and uploads should be coming back up on this channel. See ya.